Grammar translation mode. Grammar translation mode was the most popular and widely method of language teaching between the age of 1840 to 1940. Grammar translation method was a criticized instrument in the necessary carefully because it was considered that this method cannot fulfill the demands of language teaching in interactive. Direct method. The direct method was the outcome of reaction against the grammar translation method. It was based on the assumption that the layers of foreign and second language schedule directly think in English. The method against of translation of writing real text of focus of telling meaning of word, touch, action, demonstration or real object. The method focuses on directly thinking, drawing, decision and conversation in second language.